Oh, they took off. Man. I see him over there. Now he's coming over here. They are waiting for me to step off the porch. But I thought birds flew south for the winter. They are just everywhere. Good God. I got a couple cardinals here that are just tearing it up. I stepped out closer on the porch, so now they're staying back. But I just saw him. He's over there. I think he's over in there somewhere. Yeah, they're down on that log. Cardinals seem to like this bird feeder a lot better though. And they really like it when I throw the seed on the ground. Yeah. Ironically, that's just a wild bird feed. Oh, there's a cardinal. Yeah. The stuff in this one is actually the cardinal seed. It's funny that they're not even bothering with it. I think it just has more sunflower seeds in it. Oh, there he is. Now, if I can see. Yeah, there he is. They're beautiful. There's a pair of them here. And they didn't leave for the winter. They just figured they'd stay here. It's awesome. Other than it being so friggin' cold.